Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a close look at the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean Upright Vacuum. Aimed at households with pets and designed for larger homes, this vacuum is packed with features meant to tackle tough cleaning jobs across multiple surfaces. With its iconic ball technology, self-adjusting cleaner head, and an array of tools designed specifically for homes with pets, it promises to offer a powerful clean every time. But how does it really perform in everyday use? Let's find out. The Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean is a corded upright vacuum, offering 290 air watts of suction power, thanks to Dyson's Radial Root Cyclone technology. This tech helps to maximize suction and efficiently remove dirt, pet hair, and debris from your floors. This vacuum is built for homes with pets, and with its motorized brush bar, it digs deep into carpets to lift embedded dirt, while the self-adjusting cleaner head seals in suction across different floor types. From hardwood to carpet, it adapts automatically to ensure you're getting the most efficient clean without any manual adjustments. That's a real plus when it comes to handling varying floor types seamlessly. In terms of features, the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean doesn't disappoint. It comes with 8 Dyson-engineered accessories. These include a tangle-free turbine tool, a combination tool, a multi-angle brush, a stair tool, a reach-under tool, a carbon fiber soft dusting brush, a mattress tool, and a tool bag for easy storage. These accessories are particularly useful when it comes to cleaning stairs, upholstery, and those tricky nooks and crannies. The tangle-free turbine tool, in particular, is a standout for pet owners. It ensures that you can remove pet hair without worrying about tangling, which can be a real time saver for those with furry friends. When it comes to performance, the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean has a lot going for it. Its powerful suction ensures that it can handle fine dust and dirt on hard floors, while its motorized brush does a great job of picking up pet hair from carpets and rugs. If you're cleaning stairs, the stair tool makes it easier to reach difficult spots, while the reach under tool ensures you can get to the areas beneath furniture without too much effort. But how does it perform on a day-to-day basis? Setting up and using the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean is a breeze. The ball technology makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around obstacles, and it glides effortlessly across your floors. The self-adjusting cleaner head is a true game changer, automatically raising and lowering to maintain optimal suction across all surfaces. Whether you're transitioning from a carpet to a hard floor or cleaning high traffic areas, it adjusts seamlessly, providing a consistent clean throughout. However, like any vacuum, it's not without its quirks. While the suction power is impressive, it does come with a bit of noise. This can be expected with such a powerful motor, but it might be a concern if you're sensitive to sound. It's not unbearable, but it's something to consider if you're looking for a quieter vacuum. Another point worth mentioning is the cord. While it's long enough for most spaces, it's still a corded vacuum, so you'll need to be mindful of the length and may need to plug it into different outlets for larger spaces. As for emptying the bin, it's a straightforward task, and the large bin capacity ensures that you won't need to empty it after every single use, though it will depend on how often you clean and how much dirt you're collecting. The whole machine filtration system is another key selling point, especially for allergy sufferers. It traps allergens inside the machine, ensuring that dust and allergens aren't expelled back into your home. This can make a significant difference if you're dealing with asthma or seasonal allergies. Now, let's talk about value. At its price point, the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean is a solid investment for homes with pets. It offers powerful suction, a variety of useful attachments, and a design that's easy to maneuver and maintain. However, it's important to compare this vacuum to others in the market. There are other upright vacuums with similar features at a lower price, though they might not offer the same suction power or level of versatility, particularly when it comes to pet hair removal. If you're considering other vacuums in the same category, the Shark Navigator Liftaway is a popular choice. While it's more budget-friendly, it offers similar suction power and comes with a lift-away pod for portable cleaning. However, the Dyson's ball technology and self-adjusting cleaner head provide a more streamlined, ergonomic cleaning experience. Another comparable model is the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, which is also aimed at pet owners. But it falls short in terms of suction power and filtration compared to the Dyson. When it comes to build quality, the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean feels solid and well constructed. The plastics feel durable, and the ball mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. The vacuum is well designed, and despite its powerful performance, it remains lightweight enough for most people to handle without straining their wrists. Maintenance is relatively easy, too. Cleaning the filter and brush roll is simple, and the bin empties without any mess. In terms of longevity, Dyson vacuums are generally known for their reliability, and the Ball Animal Total Clean is no exception. The 5-year warranty provides peace of mind, ensuring that you're covered for any potential issues. Dyson's customer support is also highly regarded, with lifetime access to assistance and maintenance support via the My Dyson app. So, who is this vacuum best suited for? If you have pets and need a vacuum that can handle heavy-duty cleaning on multiple surfaces, this model is a great choice. Its powerful suction, self-adjusting cleaner head, and specialized pet tools make it perfect for homes with lots of hair, dirt, and dust. If you're after a quieter model or one with a cordless option, you might want to look elsewhere. But for those who prioritize performance, especially for larger homes or spaces with pets, the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean is a top contender. Thanks for watching today's review of the Dyson Ball Animal Total Clean. If you're interested, you can find the link to get this product in the comments box below. Let us know in the comments if you've used this vacuum or if you have any questions. Goodbye till next time. And remember, cleaning doesn't have to be a chore.